Today I want to show you how to use a wall to stretch your knee after a knee surgery. You could do this at home, on the floor or on the bed, as long as it is next to a wall. To use a wall to help you straighten the knee, start by sitting close to the wall. From this position, lie down on your back and at the same time put your legs on the wall. If you have a lot of difficulty keeping your knee straight in this position, you might be better off doing easier stretching exercises for knee straightening, such as the video I introduced 2 weeks ago using an ankle weight. I will put the link to that video down below. If you feel like this stretch is still pretty good for you and you want to try it out, you can hold this stretch for 2 to 3 minutes or for however long you can tolerate, and then put your legs down to rest. Repeat the stretch for 3 sets. This elevated position for the legs is very good for decreasing swelling. To use the wall to help you bend the knee, again sit close to the wall, lie down on your back, and at the same time put your legs onto the wall. Like the previous exercise, from this position, try to bend your knees as much as you can by sliding your feet down the wall. If you could tolerate it, you can even put the other leg's ankle on top of the leg that you are stretching for a more intense stretch. Hold this stretching position for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then you can put your legs down to rest. Repeat the stretch for 3 sets. I hope today's exercises are helpful for you. If you want to completely recover from your knee surgery, please visit your local physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program.